Welcome back. We need to find out whether the statements are true or false. A scalar quantity is one that is conserved in a process, can never take negative values, must be dimensionless, does not vary from one point to another in space E, has the same value in space, and the last is has the same value for observers with different orientations of X. Let us go through the solutions. So the first statement is false, because energy is a scalar quantity but is not conserved in inelastic collisions. Second one is also false. For example, temperature can take negative values in degrees Celsius. Next one is false again, since speed is a scalar quantity but has same direction dimension but had dimension. Next one is false, which is this: does not vary from one point to another in space, because gravitational potential varies in space from point to point. And the last one is true, has the same value for observers with different orientations of X, since it does not have direction.